Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware, which is called Zeus. This Zeus is the ransomware that is the part of the Chaos ransomware family. My video is solely for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting it. I'm showing you what can happen with the files after they get damaged by this ransomware. So, before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this Zeus ransomware may be easily injected. And so these are the consequences of the ransomware attack. This ransomware actually changes the desktop background, and it is mentioning that it is called ransomware Zeus. The ransomware appends a random extension to the files, and all these files are damaged and encrypted. The ransomware also tells its victims that they should pay the special ransom for file recovery. But paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee that your data will be restored. Don't pay the ransom. What I recommend you to urgently do is scanning your system with the help of reliable anti-ransomware tool such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. So go here, combocleaner.com, download the program, install the application, and then click on Start Scan button. Most likely the software will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. The feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware helps to protect your data from any other possible ransomware attacks. But this feature does not decrypt the files, it only protects the files from further ransomware attacks. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of all the threats which were revealed on the system. You will be able to know their exact locations. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future. So Combo Cleaner works very well when it comes to deleting this ransomware and protecting your files from further ransomware attacks.